start walking lunge, which is typically also known as a forward lunge. Super common exercise. You're going to start from a normal stance, and I like to step not only forward, but a little bit out. If you watch the Olympic lifters, especially when they do a split jerk, you'll notice they'll step out with one foot out and the toes pointed in this way. This is the most balanced position. It keeps your hips neutral. You guys can also see my spine stays neutral too. If you go toe forward, usually the hips will blade, and will cause discomfort in people who already have back pain. So I personally like stepping out a little bit, and I'll have this toe pointing towards this toe as I do it. So let me turn back over here so you can see. I'm going to toe off this leg. I'm going to step out and forward 45 degrees, and I want to make sure everything's nice and squared. I'm going to sit straight down like there's a stool right under my thigh. I'm going to drive into the ground to come up and back. You can do 5 on each side, so you can do my 5, right, like whatever. Or you can go left, go back into right. Now this is how you do it stationary, and I know it's called a walking lunge. I'll explain now how to travel. You're going to go down the room, down whatever amount of space you have as you do this. You want to make sure your steps are nice and consistent though. So I'm going to step out 45 degrees like so. I'm kind of in like a split jerk position. I drop on down like the stool over here. And what I'm going to do this time, instead of going back, I'm going to press into the ground and retrieve my leg right under me over here. You may have noticed I went over to the side a little bit. That's totally fine. It'll also save you some space too, because if you go straight forward, you're going to run out of room eventually. From here, I'm going to step over to my right, slightly 45 degrees. This foot's going to turn, boop, and I'm over here. So this is an alternating walking lunge, like so. Okay? I would come a little closer to you guys, but I feel like you won't see anything. So make sure you got enough room. Yeah, I like going diagonal across the room if you have the space, just because that is the biggest amount of space you can get. And you can always reverse and go backwards.